Part 2 of IELTS. Speaking worries people most. You get a card, 1 minute to prepare, then you must talk alone for up to 2 minutes. This video shows how to use that minute, how to structure the two, and how to never run out of things to say. Part 2 tests whether you can speak at length without help. The examiner says almost nothing. You are scored on fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation, the same 4 criteria as the rest of the test. Long, connected, natural speech is the goal. You get 1 minute and a pencil. Do not sit frozen. Quickly note 4 or 5 bullet points, not full sentences, that follow the prompts on the card. Those notes become your map, so you never go blank mid-answer. The card gives you prompts, usually who, what, where, and a why or how you felt question. Cover each one in order. The prompts are a ready-made structure. You do not need to invent one. The final prompt is usually reflective, why it mattered, how you felt. That is your time filler. If you are reaching 2 minutes, expand it. If you are short, add a second example or a contrast with the present. General answers run dry fast, specific ones do not. Instead of "I like traveling," talk about one particular trip, the place, the moment, the detail. Concrete stories naturally produce more language. If you misspeak, do not stop and restart. Fluent speakers self-correct in one word and move on. Stopping breaks your fluency score far more than a small grammar slip does. The examiner will stop you at 2 minutes. That is normal and not a bad sign. It means you spoke long enough. Aim to still be talking comfortably when they stop you. Use the full minute to make notes. Follow the card's prompts in order. Tell one specific story and save the reflective prompt to fill time. Practice with a timer until 2 minutes feels easy. Next video, Writing Task 1, Describing Graphs and Charts.